Cream Island was once a beautiful island resort and the most popular vacation destination ever. But one day, a terrible storm hit the island, forcing the berrykins to take shelter. Some of them even left the island for good. My friends and I are heading to the island to see if we can help out. Our tasty summer treats should be just the thing to bring back the berrykins and help restore Ice Cream Island back to its former glory. It's time to bring back the sunshine. Cool Breeze Coastline. Our very first customer! This is the order we'll need to serve this berrykin. First, place it, then choose the finally. Add the toppings that match. Great job! This one's ready to serve! These hearts show the customer's patience level. Try to serve them before their hearts run out. The happier a customer is, the more the star meter fills up. See if you can get all 3 stars. Wow! A perfect score! Wow! Look! This place is looking better already! A special delivery just for you! Let's see what's inside! Tap the gift box to open it! Ice cream dispenser! Exactly what we needed! There's a new item on the menu! Use the soft ice cream dispenser to serve twirling treats! First, drag a... Now add 2 scoops of ice cream to... Just tap the dispenser to make beautiful, swirling soft ice cream. Drag the soft ice cream onto the working... Great job! This one's ready to serve! The ingredients we find are also available in our ice cream lab. Tap on the lab button to check it out. Here in the lab, we can create custom treats using any combination of the ingredients we find. First, choose a special machine. Now, add some ice cream flavors. Select your toppings. Now, choose your sauces. Now go ahead and create any treat you want. Pull the switch to serve your treat to a customer. When you're ready to continue exploring Ice Cream Island, tap the map button. Treasure chest? How exciting! Let's open it. If a customer wants a mix of flavors, just add 1 scoop of each flavor to the dispenser. Looks a little rough. We'll need to upgrade our vehicle to check it out. Now that's a sweet ride! Whew! That was a close one! The Berrykins were able to rebuild the old lighthouse. With a little luck, its light will attract more Berrykins back to the island. There's still plenty of work to do. Where should we go next?